64,000 is the median number of words per book. Average person reads about 200 words per minute. Simple math will tell us that is one book in 320 minutes. To accomplish this in 7 days, numbers say you would have to read for 45 minutes a day. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button, like, comment, and share. Enjoy.
Hello, and happy day. How does slowing down sound to you today? Would you like to reduce the noise for just a bit? Are you ready to make a choice and decide to listen? My name is Igor SF Walker. I'm here to remind people to slow down, to reduce the noise, to walk their lives into a natural flow. Welcome back to the Book of the Week series. Every week, as I read another amazing title, I share it with the world. Today, we look at the Almanac of Naval Ravikant, A Guide to Wealth and to Happiness by Erik Jorgensen. In this video, you will discover amazing insight and wisdom on what is wealth and how to obtain it, on what is a most important skill in today's world, wisdom on luck, on happiness, and even on death. So stick around till the end. Also, I will share with you how you can find out why you do the things you do. What are the hidden motivators behind the scenes? These innate human needs we are sometimes not even aware of. Today, we discover bits and pieces of wisdom from the CEO and the co-founder of Angels List. He previously co-founded Vast.com, eOpinions, which went public as part of Shopping.com. He's an angel investor, and he's invested in many mega successes, including Twitter, Uber, Yammer, OpenDNS, to name just a few. And that's all great, of course. And it shows Naval is a world-class operator instead of an armchair philosopher. Take Naval seriously, because he questions nearly everything. He can think from first principles. He tests things well. He is good at not fooling himself. He changes his mind regularly. He laughs a lot. He thinks holistically, and he thinks long term, and he doesn't take himself too seriously. This last one is very important. What is most courageous? Not in the run into the fire without thinking twice sense, but in the think twice and then tell everyone they're focusing on the wrong fire sense. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? What is most courageous? It's not really about hard work. You can work in a restaurant 80 hours a week, and you're not going to get rich. Getting rich is about knowing what to do, who to do it with, and when to do it. It is much more about understanding than purely hard work. Yes, hard work matters, and you can't skimp on it, but it has to be directed in the right way. So, seek wealth, not money or status. Wealth is having assets that earn while you sleep. Money is how we transfer time and wealth. Status is just your place in the social hierarchy. You're not going to get rich renting out your time. You must own equity, a piece of business, to gain your financial freedom. You will get rich by giving society what it wants, but does not know yet how to get it, and at a scale. Play iterated games. All the returns in life, whether in wealth, in relationships, or knowledge, comes from compound interest. So learn to sell, learn to build. If you can do both, you will be unstoppable. Specific knowledge is found by pursuing your genuine curiosity and passion rather than whatever is hot right now. So study microeconomics, game theory, psychology, persuasion, ethics, mathematics, and computers. There are no get-quick-rich schemes. Those are just someone else getting rich off you. The best jobs, neither decreed nor degreed. They are creative expressions of continuous learners in free markets. The most important skill for getting rich is becoming a perpetual learner. You have to know how to learn anything you want to learn. Things change fast now. Now you have to come up to speed on a new profession within 9 months, and it's obsolete 4 years later. But within those 3 productive years, you can get very wealthy. It's much more important today to be able to become an expert in a brand new field in 9 to 12 months than to have studied the right thing a long time ago. Everybody who really makes money at some point owns a piece of a product, a business, or some IP. That can be through stock options. If you work at a tech company, that's a fine way to start. Think about what product or service society wants, but does not yet know how to get. You want to become the person who delivers it, and delivers it at a scale. This is really the challenge of how to make money. For labor leverage, somebody has to decide to follow you. For capital leverage, somebody has to give you money to invest or to turn into a product. What you really want is freedom. You want freedom from your money problems, right? I think that's okay. Once you can solve your money problems, either by lowering your lifestyle or by making enough money, then you want to retire. Not retirement at 65 years old, sitting in a nursing home, collecting a check retirement. It's a different definition. Retirement is when you stop sacrificing today for an imaginary tomorrow. When today is complete, in and of itself, you are retired. There are really 4 kinds of luck we can talk about. The first kind of luck is blind luck, where one just gets lucky because something completely out of their control happened. This includes fortune, fate, and so on. Then there's luck through persistence, hard work, hustle, and motion. This is when you're running around creating opportunities. A third way is you become very good at spotting luck. If you're very skilled in a field, you will notice when a lucky break happens in your field, and other people who aren't attuned to it, they won't notice. So you become sensitive to luck. The last kind of luck is the weirdest, hardest kind. When you build a unique character, a unique brand, a unique mindset, which causes luck to find you. This is when someone else's luck becomes yours, as well as you are the only one that can deliver on this unique new skill. Become the best at what you do. Refine what you do until this is true. Opportunity will seek you out. Luck becomes your destiny. Do me a favor, and in the comments below, answer this question. What is the most efficient way to build new mental models? What Naval says, and I absolutely agree with him 100%, is read a lot. Just read. Reading science, math, and philosophy 1 hour per day will likely put you at the upper echelon of human success within 7 years. Learn to love to read. The genuine love for reading itself, once cultivated, is a superpower. We live in an age of Alexandria, when every book and every piece of knowledge ever written down is a fingertip away. This means of the means of learning are abundant. It is the desire to learn that is scarce. Happiness, to me, is mainly not suffering. not desiring, not thinking too much about the future or the past, really embracing the present moment and the reality of what is and the way it is. If you ever want to have peace in your life, you have to move beyond good and evil. Nature has no concept of happiness or unhappiness. Nature follows unbroken mathematical laws and a chain of cause and effect from the Big Bang to now. Everything is perfect exactly the way it is. It is only in our particular minds we are unhappy or not happy, and things are perfect or imperfect because of what we desire. Happiness, love, and passion. These aren't things you find, they're choices you make. Happiness is a choice you make and a skill you develop. Death is the most important thing that is ever going to happen to you. When you look at your death and you acknowledge it, rather than running away from it, it will bring great meaning to your life. We spend so much of our time and our life trying to avoid death. So much of what we struggle for can be classified as a quest for immortality. If you're religious and believe there's an afterlife, then you will be taken care of. If you're not religious, maybe you'll have kids. If you're an artist, a painter, or a businessman, you want to leave a legacy behind. Here's a hot tip. There is no legacy. There's nothing to leave. We're all going to be gone. Our children will be gone. Our works will be dust. Our civilization will be dust. Our planet will be dust. Our solar system will be dust. In the grand scheme of things, the universe has been around for 10 billion years. It will be around for another 10 billion more. Your life is a firefly blink in a night. You're here for such a brief period of time. If you fully acknowledge the futility of what you're doing, then I think it can bring great happiness and peace, because you realize this is a game, but it's a fun game. You're going to die one day, and none of this is going to matter. So enjoy yourself. Do something positive. Project some love. Make someone happy. Laugh a little bit. Appreciate the moment and do your work. Doctors won't make you happy. Nutritionists won't make you slim. Teachers will not make you smart. Gurus will not make you calm. Mentors will not make you rich. And trainers will not make you fit. Ultimately, you have to take responsibility. Save yourself. Value your time. It's all you have. It's more important than your money. It's more important than your friends. It is more important than anything. Your time is all you have. Do not waste your time. Do not spend your time making other people happy. Other people being happy is their problem. It is not your problem. If you are happy, it makes other people happy. If you are happy, other people will ask you, how did you become happy? And they might learn from it. But you are not responsible for making other people happy. And there you have it. Please, do help out. It is easy. Simply like this video so more people can enjoy it. Share it too and spread the word. Leave a comment and share your thoughts. Subscribe to my channel and stay up to date. And the link to this book is in the description below, so buy it and read. Never stop learning, especially learning about yourself and nature. So gift yourself by taking the free human needs test on my website and find out what actually motivates you, what innate human need is driving all of your desires and your decisions and your behavior. If you feel you are ready to improve your self-awareness, your social awareness, self-management and relationship management even further, do check out my Master of Life Awareness program. The links are in the description below. Thank you. Love and respect.